Is there anybody new here? All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. This is the Horn Orchestra. We perform every Wednesday at approximately 6:30-ish. Do you all have earplugs?
Yeah.
Does anybody need earplugs?
Yeah, I do.
All right, please come up to the front if you need earplugs. The governor is home, which is cool.
Yay!
So, these shirts, like we already know that he's heard us at least once. He's going to hear us again. That is awesome. However, with that comes some legal challenges. We have a permit to be here. We have a permit actually to be on all four sides. Grayson is running up now, so we'll probably have some information. We're working with the RPD. They're really great. They've been wonderful partners. However, we have been informed, some of you may have seen on Facebook, that there may be the possibility of noise complaints. If there are, they require 2 noise complaints, at which time the police will come over here to assess the fact that we are or are not making noise. We likely will be making noise. So if that is the case, they're directed to come to me or Grayson first. We will be issued a citation. After we're issued a citation, if you continue playing, you too will be issued a citation. And that means a $100 fine, and we don't want you to pay that. So please watch us. And if you see us and some police and some notepads going on, you probably want to stop playing.
If we do stop, you can chant, which is explicitly protected as free speech. So you can, if anyone wants to lead a chant, say about Jesse Helm.
We can sing.
Or you can sing. You can make any sort of other noise you want. So,
Full repeal HB2.
there we go.
You can do that.
Legit. So don't get in the road. That's the biggest thing.
Are you the runner?
10, 9,
I'm the soprano.
7, 6, 5,
1. repeal!